How to buy ND token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, it's available on the screen as you can see. So this token, it's increased by, as you can see, 7% in the last 24 hours, and the liquidity here unlocked by 97%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. So to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token came under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now, to be able to buy this token, open your wallet. For this, I will use Bitkit wallet. Now here, select the BNB chain as a network. Now here, click on this plus icon, and now paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token, NG. Now after that, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back. Now after that, find your token. So this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on this swap and switch it from here. From the top, select your token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. But before that, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. After that, you will see how much you receive here. Now wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, click on this buy now, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy NZ token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.